Planning to travel, or simply want to control your mobile data usage? In this guide, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable data roaming on your Samsung Galaxy phone in just a few simple steps. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy device and open the Settings app. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel, or by opening Settings from your app drawer. Inside Settings, tap Connections. This section contains all of your wireless and network-related settings, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile networks, and more. Next, tap Mobile Networks. Here you'll find options that control how your phone connects to your mobile carrier. Look for the Data Roaming option. To enable data roaming, tap the switch so it turns on. This allows your Samsung phone to use mobile data while connected to another carrier's network, which is especially useful when you're traveling outside your carrier's normal coverage area or visiting another country. Be aware that roaming charges may apply depending on your mobile plan, so it's a good idea to check with your carrier before turning it on. If you'd rather avoid unexpected data charges, simply tap the switch again to disable data roaming. When the toggle is off, your phone won't use mobile data on roaming networks, helping you avoid additional fees while away from your home network. If your Samsung Galaxy phone supports dual SIM, you'll see separate roaming controls for each SIM card. Be sure to enable or disable data roaming for the correct SIM that you're using. You're all set. Managing data roaming only takes a few taps once you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore our channel for more helpful tech guides.